Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to an update on VeChain. On a daily time frame chart, the price on a VeChain has recently broken out this down channel, and after the breakout, it was rejected by this long-term resistance. That is a complete resistance zone from 3.2 to 3.4 cents. If we take a look at the weekly time frame chart, then you can see that this resistance zone from 3.2 to 3.4 cents has been previously acting as a resistance zone here, and support zone here. And if we move more back, then here it was breaking the resistance line in the month of Feb 2023. And here in the month of August 2022, it was also breaking the resistance. And here in the month of May 2022 as well. And therefore, again, it is breaking at a strong resistance. By the way, recently the price on a VeChain is also forming a double bottom pattern on the 7-day time frame chart. That is a very, very huge price reversal signal as well. And on the daily time frame chart, you can see that we have broken out the EMA 21 resistance as well, this red line. And on the 7-day time frame chart, we broke it out, and now we are retesting this resistance. Right now, the price and it's slightly moved down than this resistance that is now acting as support. And within the next few hours, where this weekly candlestick will be closed. For example, if it will be closed below this support, then we can expect a further drop because it will be broken down this support of EMA 21. And in today's video, I would also like to show you this very, very massive and huge breakout that is happening here on the 7-day time frame chart from this big and long-term falling wedge pattern as well. And I would also like to share with you my most recent trade signal for VeChain that I shared a few days ago on 12th of July 2025 with my members. And so far, this signal has produced almost 26% pump. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member because I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find the link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Let's start the analysis. And first of all, let me begin with my most recent trade signal for VeChain that I shared on 12th of July 2025 with my members. And that was a bullish reversal, harmonic bullish reversal setup, a bullish guardian move that VeChain completed on a 1 hour time frame chart with US dollar pair. And this was a complete trade setup, buying zone, sell target zone, and the stop loss. And now if I play this chart, then you can see that the price has started a very, very nice reversal from this buying zone and rallied beyond the sell target zone. This was almost 26% pump. And if you would like to catch such other pumps before they happen, then you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member because I'm sharing such trading signals for you on the daily basis. And I've already shared the links to join me there in the video's description you can find. Now let's move to the live chart of VeChain. And first of all, I'm going to show you the daily time frame. And here you can see that for the past several weeks, it has been moving inside this channel. And after the breakout, the price and could not break out this very strong resistance zone that starts from 3.2 and goes to 3.4 cents. That had been previously acting as a resistance zone here, and almost as a resistance zone here as well. And here it was also breaking at the point of rejection. And for several weeks, it had been breaking as support zone here, resistance here. And if we move more back, then here it was also breaking at the resistance zone. And before that, here it was also breaking at the resistance zone here and resistance zone here for several days or weeks. Therefore, again, it is breaking at a very, very strong resistance for the price line of VeChain, and we need to break it out. But if we take a look at the weekly time frame chart, then you can see that the price line is forming a double bottom. This was the first bottom, and this is the second bottom that right now it is forming. Therefore, there is a probability that soon we may break out this resistance zone. By the way, the technical target for the breakout from this channel is here at the top of the channel at 7.5 cents. But in my opinion, it can also hit this long-term resistance of 8.5 cents as well. And by the way, this 8.5 cents has been previously acting as a resistance here and support here in the month of September 2021 as well. Now here on the 7-day time frame chart, you can see that we have already broken out this huge falling wedge pattern. And the long-term target for the breakout from this wedge is here at the top of the wedge. That is somewhere between 27 cents to 30 cents. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member because I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.